Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get the SVG code from an image in Figma. If you've ever needed to grab clean, editable SVG code, maybe to embed directly in your website, tweak it in code, or reuse it in another project, this quick but detailed tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know how to go from image in Figma to copyable SVG code in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. So first things first, I already have my image open here in my Figma file. If you're following along, make sure the design or icon you want is already selected on your canvas. It's important to highlight exactly what you want to export, whether that's a single layer, a vector shape, or a full group. You don't want to end up exporting empty space or unwanted elements. Now, with your image selected, look towards the right side panel for the export section. If you don't see it immediately, just scroll down. It's usually right at the bottom. Here's a tip: if you're working with multiple assets, take a moment to double-check that you've only highlighted the piece you want to work with. It'll save you some headaches later. Next, you're going to click the little plus button next to export. Think of this plus button as telling Figma, yes, I want to export this. Once you click it, a list of file types will appear, options like PNG, JPG, PDF, and of course SVG. For our purposes, select SVG. SVG, short for Scalable Vector Graphics, is perfect for web and app use because unlike raster images, you can resize it as much as you want and it'll stay razor sharp. Choosing SVG here is important because you'll be able to access and edit the underlying code if needed. After you've set it to SVG, go ahead and click the Export button. Depending on your design's complexity, this could take a moment. Don't worry if there's a little pause while it gets ready. When it's finished, your computer will download the SVG file, usually to your standard downloads folder. Here where it gets interesting: to get the actual code, find the download in your browser or file explorer. Right-click on the file and choose Open With. From the options, pick Notepad or any basic text editor you have. This opens up the raw SVG code, a mix of text and tags that actually describes your graphic. Opening it with Notepad or another plain text editor ensures you see the real, underlying SVG markup, not just a picture. Now simply select all of the code you see, right-click and copy. This code is what's behind your SVG image, and you can paste it anywhere SVG code is needed, like directly into your HTML and email template, or yes, even back into Figma. If you ever want to quickly share designs or move assets between projects, this is the fastest way, and that's honestly it. You now have the SVG code ready to use however you need. Don't worry if the process felt a little technical at first. It gets easier each time you do it, and understanding how these tools work can really speed up your workflow in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want more tips like this, just leave a comment down below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another easy-to-follow tutorial. See you in the next video.